Actually, I did a call school out in Reno not long ago, and the first thing I told those guys out there was never, ever do anything that you're not prepared for. Make sure that you prepare before you do any singing call or figure. Well, I've not ever done this before. but it's one that Simon and Garfunkel did a while back. A long time ago, actually. But anyway, see what you mean. You may have heard it. Circle back, hello, darkest my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Never thought of man and do something. I don't know when the corner weave and drink. And the visions that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Heads square to go for hands around. Loose it up with me. Swing to and go around you. Boys trade, boys run right and the line. You pass through, chase right. Swing that girl and all around me. Go around and touch the sun. The silence. Science went through the town for. Ain't that corner silent. Swing through and go. Spin the top. And I went up to turn that girl and swing through and go. Three hands and swing from the go around and see. And touch the sound of the silence. Side space, grand square, naked light, and I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. I ran and waited. People writing songs that the voice would never share. And no good disturb the sound of silence. Silence wiping from where you are. Meet the corner girl, make a way. Swing to it and the boy run right. Couple circulate, chain down and line go. Storm through, pass through, train by, swing through, and run and touch the sound of silence. Side two, square through, and he said forward. Round the corner, place I live. Make a motion way up and swing through. Boy, run right, bend the line. And I went on that through, turn that girl and blood up. We go straight to cross. That rain up, slide through, swing that girl to promenade. And touch the sound of silence. Side space, grand square, who say I do not know. Silence like a cancer throat. Heal my word that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. I'll read and weave, and the signs say the words of the prophet are written on the subway.